Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and you all have done all the exercises taught earlier in the previous videos. Children, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 13, angles and their measurements. Okay? So we'll start from what is an angle? The figure formed by two rays with the same initial point is called an angle. Okay, so you can see the figure here I have drawn. This is the initial point O, and from here the two rays, you can see OB and OA. These are the two rays, and the angle is formed in between this. This is the angle. Okay. So in the figure what we can see, O. O is the common initial point called as the vertex of the angle. Then two rays are there, OA and OB, called as two arms or sides of angle, forming the angle AOB or BOA. So we write the name of the angles by writing the name of the vertex in the middle. Therefore the angle is angle AOB or BOA. Okay, and this is the symbol of this. You can see this is the symbol of angle. It stands as the symbol of angle. We can give any name to the angles. We can say ABC or AOB or XYZ or anything. Now these are the examples of angles in our daily life. You have seen the hands of the clock moving. They are also joined from one point. The arms are or hands are joined from one point. Okay, and in your divider also you are using the divider to construct angles and triangles. So that also makes an angle. Okay, there are two arms are there, and here in between you can see the angle. Similarly in scissor also. Okay, and there are many more you can find out. Next we'll move to interior and exterior of the angle. As we had seen in the triangle, the interior and exterior, similarly here also in the figure 1, angle AOB is given. Okay, here you can see angle AOB. Then what happens? All those points which lie inside the angle form interior of the angle. So P lies interior of angle AOB. Okay, here you can see P. This is interior of the angle. Okay, because it lies inside the angle, that is angle AOB. Therefore it is interior. Now here R, you can see R here. This is exterior. All those points which lie outside the angles, they are called as exterior of the angle. Point R lie exterior of angle AOB. Third is every point of each of the arms is said to lie on the angle. So points A, O, B, Q all lie on angle AOB. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now we will move to exercise 13A. Here first question is, name 3 examples of angles from your daily life. So you can find your own. I have written here clock, divider, it will be divider, and scissor. Okay, and name of the vertex Second question, name the vertex and arms of angle ABC below. Here you have to write the name of the vertex. So point B is the vertex of the arms BA and BC. How many angles are formed in each of the figures given below? Name them. Question number 3. Here are the figures given. In figure 1, there are 3 angles, angle A, angle B, angle C, or we can write angle BAC, angle ACB, angle ABC. Then in second figure, you can see 4 angles are formed, angle BAD, angle ABC, angle BCD, and angle CDA. Similarly, in the third figure, there are 8 angles, angle ABD, angle BAD, angle ADB, angle DBC, angle BDC, angle DCB, angle ABC, and angle ADC. Okay. Now question number 4, 5 and 6 you try to do yourself. More in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.